Hi everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Today I have got a haul video and I'm going to try to work in a ASMR portion of the video where I show you where I'm at the store and the sounds of the beads. That was a request from a subscriber, so I'm trying my best to do that too. But Michael's had a 60% sale and it used to be 70%, but I'll take 60. 60 is still a really good deal. So I got plenty of chip beads and different things, different silver components. So I'm gonna have a good time showing you what I've gotten over the past couple weekends. I started last Sunday, I think, and then I went back this morning and got some. So let's get started. Welcome back, subscribers and anybody new to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and I hope you enjoy the video. So this is like just a mix match. I thought this was pretty. It has many different kinds of beads. They're like wood and different glass beads. Just thought that was a pretty mix. So I have that. These amethyst chip beads. I guess I'll go ahead and get into all my chips. I like these. You can do many different things when you with making. You know, you can do necklaces, bracelets. So these are amethyst chips, and it's matte. They're matte. I really did like this citrine, I think. Yeah, this is citrine chips. They're very pretty, like orangey, yellowy color. Really like those. They remind me of my quartzite beads that I used before. I've got some tiger eye chips. Can't go wrong with these. I love this rich brown color. I've got, these are amukite, and I got 2 strands of these. These are pretty colors, different, just yellow, kind of dark red tones, brown, and caramel colors. Amukite, Amazonite. These are also matte. They're very pretty. Just like I like that. That's become one of my favorite beads. Excuse me. It's pretty orange color. Quartzite. These are quartzite beads. Chips. And I've got a couple other colors. I've got some more green. This is green aventurine. They're called light aventurine. And I've got red agate. These are red agate chips. So I like those. I love my chip beads and I can't wait to make more things with those. I got, these are lava beads. These are black lava beads. And I'm thinking for a young man that I'm going to make these for, my niece's boyfriend. He liked one of the bracelets I made for him in the past, so I've got to make him another one. It was his birthday last week. Alright, and here's some of my silver pieces that I found. I think I did a video where I made earrings with this. That silver bead, spiral, circle, disc. So I got 2 strands of those. I've got, these look like spacer beads, silver plated little spacer beads. I like those too. So silver plated round beads as well, discs. I like the little flowers. I love them. They're pretty little additions to bracelets and just different pieces. Earrings. Silver plated small flowers. I used those last week. And the little earrings I made in the collaboration video, the beads at the top there are the little flower beads. These are shell, I believe, shell beads. No, it just says made in China, so maybe they're just I'm not sure, plastic, but they're pretty. They remind me of shell. They're not labeled like shell though. They're round discs. And I've got some more silver plated. I got two strands of these. These are, yeah, just little, I guess diamond shapes. Two of those, and I got butterflies. I've had these several times. I love the butterflies. Silver plated butterflies. And actually these are as well. It's hard to tell from maybe this angle, but these are little butterflies. They're small, little small silver plated beads. And I got heart silver plated beads. And I've had these before too. I just think they're pretty to make earrings with. So I've got a little mound here. So I have to get busy on my making, my creations. So that's my haul. That's what I got today. I hope everybody else may be enjoying the Michael sale. Like I said, $60 is pretty good. I'm sorry, 60% off is pretty good. And the $60 came from my savings. When I looked at my receipts, I had about $60 in saving from the 2 times I went. The first time I saved $33.65, and then I saved $30.58. So you can't beat that. Always good to save money if you have to spend it. So, and like I said, I have to get busy. I've spent my money, now I have to get busy creating. It's been really nice being with you this morning, and I hope you have a great week. And I'm gonna get crafting, try to be creative and go make some earrings. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting the channel. I'm up to 475